Hello and welcome to the 17 podcast. We are back with one fun episode, which is actually quite a powerful uh, tool to create your life the way you want it. So, ever heard of Law of Attraction or The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, the book? And I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but what is The Secret? The secret is the law of attraction. So, have you ever thought of something and then that thing just appeared in front of you, like from nowhere? That's the secret. So, you think of something and then it appears. So, you might be wondering exactly how that works because this is not appealing to the skeptical mind. So, the secret. Firstly, to understand the secret, you don't need logic because it's just a law. It's not something that is just in the air. It is a law that has been observed and has been used by people, especially many yogis. Now, by yogis, you might be wondering, okay, these people are sannyasis. No, one is sitting right here. So, these are not sannyasis. It is quite a misconception. We will not go into that. So, yes, what is the law of attraction? So, you think of something, then you forget about that thing, ironically, because that's how the universe works, and then that thing appears in right in front of you. Now, what you can do is try to calm the mind first and then think of something like close your eyes, think about a parrot, visualize the parrot, and forget about it. Just forget and get working in your daily life, and it will just appear in the most unexpected moments. And this law can be used to create big things. Like, I have literally been able to actually, when your schedule's a bit messed up and you want to get out of everything. So I just think that okay, I don't want to work at all. I just want my time to myself, and um, I want everything to be just calm. So everything will just stop, and people will call me. Okay, we'll reschedule and we'll record later. Or the cameraman will call me and he'll say, "Okay, I'm not feeling it." And the other host will call me and say, "Okay, I need some more time to adjust to video format." So that's how powerful it is. And so, firstly, it takes practice, it takes a calm mind, because if your mind is completely empty, then only that particular thing will manifest into your life, or else it won't happen. Because if there is too much chaos here, then there will be chaos outside, because your outer reality is a reflection of your inner reality. Please use this very what do we say, cautiously, because it can create your life in a very positive manner as well as in a very destructive manner. Be cautious about that. And to speed up the process, you just need to do one thing: meditate. Because meditation will empty your mind to a state that you are thoughtless and completely in the present moment. So, meditate and the process will get faster. And another technique is to try to remain as joyful as possible. This is not again appealing to the logical mind, to the skeptical mind, but the more joyful you are, it's just better, isn't it? Life is just happening in a wonderful manner. There's amazing things everywhere. Just try to be like a child, curious about everything and not complaining about things. Just do that. And lastly, one more thing is the most powerful thing, which will take some time. So, if you direct your sexual energy, now this is again confusing to some people, but There is many cyclists, even boxers, abstain from sexual activity for a long time if they are fighting or if they are going for a major event. So it is experiential, but it is not found by modern science. But so try to channel your energy upwards and try to transmutate the energy into the creative energy, because sexual energy is also the energy of creation. It gives life, it produces life, it literally produces life out of nothing, and it is the greatest thing. You don't need to look down upon it, because it's just life. You are born that way. So thank you for listening, and it's been an amazing episode.